Right, hello. Here we go. Last model display of the year. I've got to put it away now till the spring. This is the Airfix's Mk.22 Spitfire. The ultimate Spitfire probably. Griffin engine, bubbled canopy, large rudder, 5-blade propeller. I've modelled it so the propeller turns, but it's very stiff and I don't want to be forcing it and pushing it just to show you. I lost one of the cannon barrels, so I had to get some aftermarket ones. So the outer smaller cannon barrels are aftermarket, and I also lost the tail wheel. That's actually a Hurricane tail wheel, which I've tried to use. The lights underneath, I've back painted the colours on the lights, so that's the clear part with paint on the back end side of it, and then put in so you can see it like that. This model, this Mark of Spitfire, has got a full set of wheel doors, which is quite novel for aircraft in those days. Yeah, quite a nice little kit. I've got it's overall aluminium, but I found that the different manufacturers of aluminium colour paint are different shades. That's the RAF aluminium, and that's the Airfix aluminium for the new drop bottles. Not a lot else to say. It's got weight on wheels. Can't really see at this scale. And that's about it really. I've got now a range of Spitfires from a Mark 1.2 propeller version to a Mk.22. I'll just check we're in set. Yeah, we're still in screen in shot. Yeah, I wish I could think of more things to say about it, but I'm going to have to take a break from building now till spring. I try and build during the summer months when there's air is warm enough to open the window, and I want to do other things as well rather than just model making all the time. I've got other hobbies which need to take their turn, so stick with me. My channel isn't really just about model airplanes, but sometimes it's the most convenient thing I can show people at the time. The tail is posable, got it slightly posed. There is an option to have the canopy open, but when I took the canopy off the sprue, it cracked and ruined it. There we are. But some nice decals, a lot of decals. Some of them is the old full stop size decals. So you got 10 decals, 2 between each of the propellers blades. There, that's a bit of a challenge, but you may notice that I like a bit of a challenge when it comes to decaling, and as long as I got my magnifying glass, I can do my best. So there we go, I've waffled enough. That's the Mk.22 Spitfire from Airfix. Alright, bye for now.